Pearl millet, a nutritious coarse cereal crop, occupies a formidable place in agriculture and the food system of over 600 million rural people, particularly in the arid and semi-arid areas of Africa and Asia, including India. As a plant, pearl millet is a wonderful genetic and botanical embodiment. Pearl millet is most important cereal after rice and wheat in India. It is predominantly grown for food, but is also valued for its stover and fodder. Pearl millet, due to its rich protein content, can be used for the preparation of several protein-rich foods and feeds. Pearl millet is used as a low-cost substitute for maize in poultry and dairy feed. Pearl millet is nutritionally superior to the other fine cereals such as rice, provides special health benefits such as high fiber, minerals and slow digestibility, well suited to the diabetes-prone Indian population. Pearl millet is an integral part of the culture of thousands of communities all over the country. Pearl millet is used on important social and religious occasions. Pearl millet grain, apart from being used as food for human consumption and feed for cattle and poultry, is also gaining importance as a cheap source of starch for making fine quality breweries. India has the distinction of having the highest acreage of 9 to 10 million hectares under pearl millet. Though it is primarily a rainy season crop, that is a kharif crop, it is also grown during the summer months of March to June in some areas where assured irrigation facilities are available. The major pearl millet growing states in India are Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh and Haryana. Together, they cover nearly 90% of acreage under this crop. Pearl millet is grown mostly in harsh climatic areas with no or insufficient inputs in marginalized soils without irrigation or in low rainfall areas. This results in low production and wide swings in productivity. The success story in pearl millet cultivation began with development and introduction of high-yielding hybrids in the late 60s and 70s of the previous century. However, since the 1990s, with the help of sustained scientific research and development efforts, the problem of yield stabilization was solved with enhanced productivity. Pearl millet grains, as the storehouse of health and nutrition, provide support in preventing the growing nutritional problems of the rural and poor population. It contains protein to the level of 11.6%, carbohydrates 67.5%, fat 5%, fiber 1.2%, and sufficient quantity of minerals and vitamins, higher in comparison to other cereals. The pearl millet grains are rich in iron and thus are known as iron capsules. The daily consumption of this cereal reduces chances of night blindness owing to its richness in carotene. Along with its nutrition content, this cereal has a more balanced amino acid profile. Pearl millet-based food products have more nutritional value and health benefits as compared to similar products developed from other major cereals. Value-added products from pearl millet are prepared by mixing pearl millet flour with the flour of other cereals or legume crops. Examples of such value-added products are dhokla, chapati, biscuits, cake and other food items good enough for a diabetic diet since such food items are low in glycemic index. The technology of acceptable pearl millet-based products can generally be taken up by housewives at the household level as the raw ingredients are already available in their homes. The preparation and production of pearl millet products at home and at the commercial level can help in initiating the production units on a small scale in rural and urban areas to raise the income levels of housewives. Industrial linkage for development and commercialization of these products can secure the market for pearl millet. Some of the state agricultural universities have standardized traditional and newly developed value-added products from pearl millet. In the traditional product category, pearl millet products developed are khichdi, churma, shakkarpara, laddu, matri, sev, pakora and roti. In the extruded products category, pearl millet value-added products developed are pasta and vermicelli. For diabetic food products, the pearl millet value-added food products developed are dhokla, idli, sweet and salted biscuits and chapati mix. Pearl millet crop is significant in providing nutritious green forage and dry fodder to the cattle as compared to other cereal crops. India ranks first in milk production, having just 1/6 of the world cattle population. For sustainable growth in our livestock, we require a sufficient quantity of nutritious fodder. Pearl millet fodder is thus the better solution. In the arid regions of India, pearl millet fodder can be considered as the main choice with the increasing animal population, since every acre of pearl millet cultivation yields nearly 1 ton of pearl millet fodder. Pearl millet grain is a good source of animal feed. As feed for poultry, it is not only equal in nutrition to maize, but a low-cost substitute as well. Being rich in protein and fat content, pearl millet grain is one of the nutritious ingredients in cattle feed. In the case of pig farming, pearl millet grain promotes the formation of firm, white fat in pigs comparable to pigs fed on barley feed. In respect of production of high-quality fish, pearl millet grain can be used as a high-energy alternative source of less expensive feed. Pearl millet cultivation provides a livelihood to a large number of persons. Its cultivation in 1 hectare requires 50 persons' man-days starting from sowing right up to harvesting. Pearl millet requires less water compared to other cereals. The water requirement to produce rice is about 3,000 litres per kilogram or 6 million litres for 1 acre. One of the features of climatic change is the frequent occurrence of drought. Pearl millet is the only crop that withstands drought. Its seedlings survive at soil surface temperature as high as 60 degrees centigrade, and plants can flower and set seed at air temperatures as high as 46 degrees centigrade. If the current climatic change scenario is accurate, the area to which rice, cotton, sorghum and maize are now well adapted will become marginal and will be occupied by pearl millet. Cultivation of the pearl millet crop can be a right choice in any effort or program to empower the people of India to overcome hunger, poverty, and a degraded environment. Pearl millet holds great promise and potential in alternate uses as health foods, bakery products, beverages, poultry and cattle feeds. It would thus be quite appropriate to call pearl millet a promising crop of the future.